This is Mindy for Hero Arts, and welcome to the introduction and inspiration video for the Hero Arts November 2022 My Monthly Hero Kit. 'Tis the season for making holiday tags, decoration, cards, and more using this month's kit. In the kit, you will be receiving a 3x4 clear stamp set, 31 ornament building dies, 6 sheets of acetate panels, 3 yards of scarlet satin ribbon that is a 1/4 inch wide, and some snowflake sequins. Taking a closer look at that 3x4 stamp set, we have lots of holiday greetings on here that'll fit inside of your tags, and there's also a to and from so you can personalize them. Here's a look at the full set of dies. There's 31 dies in here that you can use either on your card fronts or on tags, and I'm going to walk you through each of these individually. So here is the main piece that you can use to create your tags. I have them cut from a variety of colors, including some white if you want to do some ink blending on them. We have some red and some blue for nighttime skies, and I'm going to use these in my base to show you the other elements in the set, including this snowdrift that fits on the bottom of the tags. There are also a variety of swags, so here's one of them that you can add around your tags. We have this wreath that you can add around it as well, or on a card front. Another swag piece is a little more leafy, and I die cut that from some light green cardstock twice to make a full wreath. We also have these shooting stars that you can add to the side of your tag. Some smaller or individual elements. This one, mistletoe, would be great die cut from white cardstock and colored with any coloring medium, or you can die cut it from green cardstock like I have here and decorate the berries with red gems. We also have 2 sizes of pine cones. There's also 2 sizes of trees. And then we also have a couple deer that you can add into your scene. Now, some of these elements would be really great die cut from glitter cardstock, for instance, these little stars. And there's also a die for this Christmas tree where I could take one of those stars and place it right on top, or once again, you could die cut it from white and use your coloring mediums to color it in. We have some snowflakes that I cut from white glitter cardstock to add to my scene. And then there's these individual leaves. We have a holly berry set, so once again, you could color that in. There's a cute little snowman. We also have this little fox. And then we also have some more kind of individual swag pieces. These are great filler pieces to create and customize your wreath. So these are great for not only decorating your wreath, but also decorating the front of a card, which you'll see some examples with later on in the video. There's also 2 different sizes of poinsettia flowers that you can add. And then we also have a bow that I die cut from some red cardstock. Then to round out the dies, we have some houses that you can die cut from white or colored cardstock. Here's a closer look at a card that I created, and I used the wreath on a card front. So these are great for adding to your cards as well as making tags. And I used the snowflake die to create my own background. Now I have inspiration to share from the creative team where they are using this in a variety of ways, including card fronts, cutting windows out of their panel, and also tags. As always, Hero Arts is celebrating this release with a blog hop filled with inspiration from not only the creative team, but also special guests. You can find this inspiration and pick up your kit over at heroarts.com. These kits are limited in quantity, so once they sell out, they are not restocked. Become a subscriber today so you don't miss out on any of these amazing kits. When using this kit, be sure to tag us on social media so we can see your amazing creations. Thanks for joining us today.